Hi, this video is about the Nova 439T tray for folding walker. This is a great accessory and add-on for your folding walker so you can carry food and drinks and small light personal belongings. All right, so I'm going to show you just the basic dimensions of this food tray so you can determine if this is going to fit your folding walker. So the first consideration you want to look at is on this cutout here from front to back. It is about 11.5 inches. So the measurement from front to back at some point of these side arms should be 11.5 inches. The other dimension will be the distance from side to side, so it fits between the arms. So from side to side, the measurement should be about 16 3/4 inches. All right, so it installs so easily. You just insert the tray right over the arms and it should be nice and snug and stable. So you'll notice you can put the tray two ways. We have this pointed area pointing outward. If you put it that way, you can use the tray for your food and personal belongings, but then the cup holders will hit the front bar. So if you want to use the cup holders as well, you simply turn the tray over. And now this way, then there's full clearance for your drinks. Put it right in just like that, and you've got two drink holders. All right, there you go. That is the Nova food tray for folding walker. And also we've got our Nova information right up top here that has our contact information so you can reach out to us anytime.